Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a VPN. First, select a trustworthy VPN provider that meets your needs. Once chosen, download their dedicated application directly onto your device, whether it's a computer or a smartphone. After the download is complete, simply run the installer and follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to get the software installed. This initial step is crucial for a secure and reliable connection. Now that the application is installed, open it up and log in using the account credentials you created during your subscription. Next, you'll see a list of server locations. Choose one that best suits your needs, perhaps for accessing specific content or for better speed. Finally, click the prominent Connect button. This action will establish a secure, encrypted tunnel, protecting your online activities instantly. Many VPNs offer advanced features to enhance your security and control. Consider enabling the kill switch feature, which automatically disconnects your internet if the VPN connection drops, preventing any data leaks. Another useful option is split tunneling, allowing you to route some applications through the VPN while others connect directly. Always check your settings for DNS leak protection to ensure your privacy is fully maintained. To ensure your VPN is working correctly, first verify that your public IP address has changed to reflect the VPN server's location. You can easily do this with a quick online search for "What is my IP address?" Additionally, perform a DNS leak test to confirm your DNS requests are also routed through the VPN. If you encounter any persistent connection issues or unexpected behavior, don't hesitate to contact your VPN provider's customer support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.